So today we are going to be see how this cursor AI application will work. All you need to do is go to the Chrome and you have to be download this. Once you download, try to install this and you can see this type of interface. And here this is a chatbot. If you type this hi, so it will give the response like how can I assist you. So let me give this anything like it will build the application within the fraction of seconds. So I have given this, can you build the machine learning prediction model for the house price prediction using sklearn and deploy using the streamlit. So it might take some time, so let me just wait for a while. Okay, would you like to use the dataset California? So yes, it is asking if you have a own dataset or you want. Okay, create. Again, it is going to the e-commerce app.py. Okay, let me know if any requirement in the customization. So let me run this first. So let me just go ahead and run this. Here you can see I have already opened this many times and it's again asking me to run this e-commerce website. So here you can see this is taking more time. Okay, so I didn't expect that. Okay, so average rooms 5, average bedroom 1, population and latitude, house price prediction. So let me just click this and try to open. It took all both of the project at one and it is giving the output. Okay, so the median house value price is 85,278. So here it is, e-commerce website, and it built together all the two projects. Like if I give the median house age and 4.98 and house age is, let me give here 12 and let me ask to predict this one. Okay, it's automatically getting predicted. Okay, so let me just click on this house price prediction. You can add any value, average occupancy, population, or average bedrooms, or the longitude. So here you can see plus or minus symbol. You can also do that and hit the predict house price. So based on my requirement, it is predicted for 12,000, 1,24,039. So here you can add the income as well as the house age and which one you want. So you can do that. And this is the another website which I have created in my cursor AI. It has by default it took the both e-commerce application as well as the house price prediction in one go. So let me just go here and here it is. You can see the login page. Okay, just click on this login and I didn't expect it will show all together application in one web browser. So let it be as it's taking more time. Usually it will not take more time. I just want to log in with my name. Okay, so username I'll be giving as a demo and password as my password, and I'll just hit on the login. So here you can see it is I have logged in with my credentials. My user ID, username is demo. And once you scroll down, you can see all these things. It's still taking time. So if it would create the separate files, then it would be take the less time to overload. Now let it be. So we have to be wait for a while and showing login successful. Now you can see I have logged in with my username. So I can see all the products. Here it is listed. So I can add to the cart and also I can view the price. I can see and which is available in the stock and which is not. So I can see everything and we can also make the same kind of projects. All the thing is you have to be give here anything like build Disney game or anything, whatever the standalone application you want to build or the main applications which you want distributed applications, you can also do that here. So that's it for today. Let's meet another time for the new technology. Until then, bye.